What's up guys, thank you for watching JGTechBlog, and for today's video we're going to be showing you how to unlock the new LG V35 ThinQ. First I want to give a shout out to our sponsors, the unlocking company. I will have a link down below so you can check them out. So the first step is actually getting the IMEI. So what you got to do is just *#06# and that will pop up. Once the IMEI comes up, you write that down somewhere because that's going to be very important for the next step. Alright guys, so once you're at the unlockingcompany.com, you click on the manufacturer. Then you click on the model that you currently have of the phone. Just click on V, go all the way to the bottom, V35 ThinQ. Click on Unlock Now. And the next step is just the country you purchased the phone from. In this case, it was the United States. For me, it was a Metro PCS phone. Click on Next. As you can see here, in this step, you'll put in the IMEI that we told you to write down, your full name, and then delivery email. This is very important because this is where they will send you the code once it's completed. It's a great company. I've used it before, and these guys are one of the best at what they do, and they have the most decent prices I've seen. So you actually save about 15 bucks using them. It's for $39.99, and that's all. So once you're finished and click on order now, you should be getting an email, and then go to the next step. So now that you've ordered everything, you go ahead to the phone and just click on the right hand side on the power button. If you hold it down for a little bit, it's going to give you the option to power off. Once the phone is powered off, go ahead and get your SIM removal tool. You can find this inside the box. On the left hand side, the SIM slot. Then once that's open, you go ahead and take out the original SIM card that's in the phone, and then you put in a different SIM card, again from any carrier, whether it's international or domestic. Just make sure you fit in properly. So you see that cut right there has to match the cut that's inside the SIM slot. So you put it in. Once it fits, go ahead and put it back in. And just turn on the phone. And in this case, so we had originally a Metro PCS phone, and I went out and I got an AT&T prepaid card, and that's what I put inside. So let's go ahead and turn the phone back on. Alright, so when the phone comes back on, you'll be presented with this screen right here, SIM network unlock pin, and then you have only a certain amount of attempts. So basically, you put in the code that was sent to you in the email, then you click on unlock, then that should come up, SIM network unlock successful. Now, keep in mind, some phones actually use an unlock app, so maybe that's a different method, but that's okay. The unlocking company can also unlock those. There you guys have it, and now you can use them with any carrier, again, from around the world. If you have any questions, please put it down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.